Do you want to stand out from the competition? Do you need to explain your idea, product, or service in a way that people will actually remember? You're in the right place because we've got the perfect solution: whiteboard animation. It's fun, it's engaging, and most importantly, it works. We create high-quality custom whiteboard explainer videos that turn your ideas into clear visual stories that connect with your audience. Our team of creative professionals works around the clock to deliver animations that don't just look good, but deliver real results. So how does it work? Send us your idea, and we'll handle the rest: script writing, voiceover, animation, and background music. We bring your message to life with hand-drawn visuals and smooth storytelling that captures attention from the first second. Big or small, simple or complex, we handle every project with care and creativity. And yes, we always deliver on time. Still unsure? Take a look at our reviews and portfolio. You'll see the quality speaks for itself. So why wait? Message us today or place your order now.